So I'm going to begin my transfer. Before I started my transfer, again, I pH balanced my water somewhere between 5.5 and 6. Looked good. Tested that. Added my stuff to keep the roots from rotting, which is a HydroGuard. I added a hormone that actually encourages root growth. And what I'm going to do is transfer all my water from my bucket into my reservoir and start things up. I'm not going to film it because it's noisy, but I use these pumps. I'm very big on using pumps to move stuff around because water is very heavy. It's about 8 pounds per gallon, and even a 5-gallon bucket can throw your back out. So I try to use pumps whenever I can. I have pumps to transfer from my bucket and pumps to transfer from my reservoir and when I'm dumping. So I'll go ahead and transfer this and come back to it.